Hello, my name is and welcome to my unboxing of Tomb Raider Shadow of the Tomb Raider Collector's Edition box thingy. Yeah, this have been released today in Norway. I don't know about the other countries, but when you purchase a collector's edition stuff, you may get 2 days playtime before anyone else who do not buy this thing. So yeah, let me just move this so I can sit down because my fat ass is too big to actually stand, and I'm lazy as fuck. So yeah, the most important thing, the game. I think that's the most important thing, because of course the game. Just gonna take this out and that'll be wrong. So in here we get the disc and special add-ons that I cannot show the code or I'll lose the special coming code things, and just the normal thing on the back there. And here we got the steelbook camp slot thing. Yeah, so I really hope this is as awesome as I hope it is. Like a little kid on Christmas. Oh my god, that is beautiful. That is nice. It even shimmer to the light, or glimmer through the lights. That is nice. Oh my god. It's like a building from the first, I guess. I don't remember, but that is nice. And this is posters. I don't sure. I'm sure. Okay, so it's just okay. It's just like paper with the different Tomb Raider logos. Just normal paper, but they are nice. I like them. Them sound like a mom. Well, I like it and that and them. 3 art cards with instruction of Laura Adventure from Tomb Raider, Rise of the Tomb Raider and Shadow of the Tomb Raider. That's, yeah, that is that. And I get this made in China. I'm sorry, I couldn't help myself. But yeah, it's a bracelet, I guess, or take it around my arm. I'm too fat. Okay, so I'm a bit too fat. Or if it's just something to keychain to hang it from the pocket with the little Laura or Tomb Raider there. Yeah, icon. It says it, and it's nice to have everything. And here we got the action figure. I'm very excited for this because when I was younger, I love action figures. I mean, I have Action Man and all of those when I was younger. Okay, so a giant box for this little toy. That is cool. I'm not very much of a playing with action figures anymore. But you know, you can build a shelf to have all of them on. I remember when I was younger. So, okay. It's not an action figure. It's a small statue of the figure. Don't want to break it. Can't get it out of the box. Okay, yeah, so it's not an action figure. It's actually a small statue of... Wow, doesn't really look like her at all. Come on, focus. Focus. She looks Japanese or Chinese, I can't tell. But this is her. I like the boots actually. But yeah, got a knife there and the pickaxe or ice axe, the rope, and you know, the trusty bow as usual. So yeah, I thought it was an action figure, really. I thought I could place it, you know, on the edge of the TV, you know, like he's sitting on the edge of the TV, you know, just sitting there on the edge of the TV. I thought that would be cool, but you're not gonna get the figure. Oh no, action figures, they're too dangerous. Kids these days will think it's real and probably go and shoot someone up in the school. I mean, school shootings are not fun at all. They're horrible. But yes, this is the thing I got in, or not in the mail, because no one ever sends me anything. People hate me probably, because I'm a loser, faggot. Yeah, but this is what I then got today. The card things are cool. The key chain thingy, not a bracelet at all. The steelbook, that are awesome. The game I haven't played yet, and the little statue figure-y. So this is my unboxing of Shadow of the Tomb Raider. Shadow of the Tomb Raider. Leave a like. Hold on a second. If you want to see me, unbox something different, leave it in the comment. Leave a like and subscribe. I don't know what I benefit, but do it anyway. And yeah, that was me unboxing this. Have an awesome day further in the future. And yeah, I don't have anything more. Bye.